Hey there and welcome. You hear the term big data thrown around all the time, right? Well, today we're going to cut through the buzz and see what it actually means. We're looking at how it's being used in the real world, right now, to predict, prevent, and personalize things in industries you and I use every single day. All right, so let's just get right to it. Why should any of us really care about big data? Well, because it's so much more than just a giant pile of information. Honestly, it's a total game changer in how we approach and make decisions about, well, pretty much everything. I absolutely love this analogy. Just think about it. If a company or an organization is like a high-performance car, then big data is the premium fuel that makes it go. It's what lets us stop just reacting to things that have already happened and start proactively shaping what's going to happen. It's all about spotting those hidden patterns and predicting what's around the corner with some seriously impressive accuracy.
Okay, so let's see this fuel in action. First stop, healthcare. Here, the whole goal is about helping us all heal faster.
By digging into these massive health data sets, we're making this incredible shift from just treating sickness to actually predicting it. This means doctors can catch diseases way earlier. They can create treatment plans that are tailored to your specific genetic code. And ultimately, it means better care for everyone. It's a huge deal. And here's a perfect example that we all unfortunately lived through. Remember the pandemic? Public health agencies were using data from pretty much everywhere, mobile tracking, social media, health records, to track the virus in real time. This wasn't just some theory, it was literally shaping public health policy on the fly, showing just how powerful predictive data can be in a crisis. All right, let's switch gears to our next industry. In the world of retail, it's all about one thing: selling smarter. Have you ever been shopping online and it feels like the website is reading your mind? Yep, you guessed it. That's big data at work. It's analyzing customer habits to figure out what you might buy next. It's adjusting prices on the fly based on demand. And it's even making sure the stuff you want is in stock before you even think to look for it. So yeah, that recommended for you section you always see, that is no accident. It's a really sophisticated system that's looking at what you click on, what you've bought before, even how long your mouse hovers over an item. It's all designed to build a shopping experience that feels like it was made just for you, which, of course, makes you a lot more likely to buy. Okay, now for a couple of absolute powerhouses: finance and manufacturing. Now, they might seem totally different, but they actually share a common mission. They're both using big data to secure their assets and smooth out their operations. And this just shows you how incredibly versatile big data really is. On the one hand, you've got a bank sifting through millions of transactions a second to predict and stop fraud before it even happens. And on the other hand, you've got a car factory using sensor data to predict exactly when a machine is about to break down, so they can prevent these super expensive shutdowns. Two completely different problems, but the same core solution: using data to see into the future. All right, we have covered a lot of ground. So let's pull everything together with a quick recap to make sure all these big ideas really stick. You can see it all laid out here pretty clearly. In every single one of these industries, the basic formula is the same. You use data to find insights, which lets you shift from just reacting to problems to actually predicting them. And the impact? Well, it's tangible, positive stuff. Better health outcomes, a smoother shopping experience, safer money, and more efficient production. And hey, if you want a really easy way to lock all this in, here you go. Just remember these 4 little phrases. Healthcare is all about healing faster. Retail is selling smarter. Finance is securing assets. And manufacturing is running smoother. Think of it as a perfect little mental cheat sheet. So, let's end with this. We've seen that the true power of big data isn't just looking backwards. It's about using those patterns from the past to get a glimpse of the future. The real question now is, what's next? As we get more and more data, and as our predictive tools get even smarter, what are the problems that seem impossible today that we're going to solve tomorrow? That's definitely something to think about. Thanks for watching.